WIC, and today I'm going to present 3 episodes from different BBC podcasts. The first episode is from You Did to Me, and it's titled Life Erickson. The second is from BBC Inside Science, called The Sign of Laughter, and the third one is from more or less behind the state title What Trump Problem with Canada Tell Us About Trade. Okay, next summary of podcast 1. You are the to me, Leif Erikson. This episode discuss the life and it's of Leif Erikson, a Viking explorer who is often credited with being the first European to set foot in North America way before Christopher Columbus. The main topic of the episode is to understand who Leif Erikson was, his adventure, and how much of legend is based on historical evidence. One interesting point the host and guest mention is how Norse sagas also fills with mythical elements still give important clues about Viking exploration. The episode also highlight the significance of life journey to Finland, talk to in modern day Canada, and how history sometimes overlooks explore like him in famous figures. Okay, to the second podcast is inside Science of Laughter. This episode discuss about the fascinating science behind why humans laugh and how laughter connects to brain chemistry and social behavior. The main topic of the episode is understanding the evolutionary purpose and biological uh, mechanisms of laughter. One interesting point the host guest mentioned is that laughter is much older than language, and even animals like uh, chimpanzees and rats show laughter-like behavior. This episode also highlights how laughter can be a tool for bonding group together and even has healthy benefits by reducing stress and improving immune responses. The third podcast is more or less what Trump problem with Canada tell us about trade. This episode discuss trade tension between the USA and Canada during Donald Trump presidency, focusing on accuracy of claims about tariff and trade deficit. The main topic of the episode is to break down the statistics used in political arguments and show how complex international trade really is. Uh, One interesting point the host and guest mentioned is that even though Trump often complaining about Canada, the data show that trade between the two countries was generally balanced and beneficial to both sides. The episode also highlights how politicians sometimes use selective statistics to make their case sound stronger than it really is. Explanation of key term of concept that's from podcast 1. Learn one concept called Finland. This term means the area of coastal North America explored by Norse Viking, believed to be in modern days Newfoundland. In the podcast, it is explained as the land of wine because of the wild grapes found tree according to the sagas. This concept relates to the real because it is challenge the traditional story that Columbus was the first European in the America. From podcast 2, I learned one concept called social bonding through logger. This term means that logger acts like social glue, helping new favorite and building stranger. In the podcast is explain Asian behavior that the human communities. This concept relates to use with the still use humor to the case And for podcast 3, I learned one concept called trend deficit. This term means a situation where a country imports more good than it's brought in the podcast. It is explained as something politicians often the international economics and political debates. The fourth is language expression. From podcast 1, I noticed the speaker used the phrase of the beaten track. This is an idiom and it's mean going to places that are not well known or commonly visited. People usually say this when talking about unusual travel tradition and from the podcast one, another phrase was to sail into the unknown. This is an idiom that means to venture into new explored areas or situations. People use this when trying something risky or new. From podcast 2, I noticed the speaker used the parser birds outing logging. This is a colloquial expression meaning to suddenly start logging very hard. People usually say this when someone hers or she's something extremely funny. Another phrase from podcast 2 was clickle pinks. This idea means to be very pleased or amused. People usually use this to describe feeling extremely happy, especially after a compliment or joke. From podcast 3, I noticed the speaker used the parasa cooking the books. This is an idiom that means to manipulate a financial record dishonestly. People usually say this when companies or or politicians present misleading statistic. Another parcel from podcast 3 was 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 a number games. This is colloquial expression meaning that success depends more on figure or statistic rather than really quality or outcomes. People often use it when discussing politics, sales, sales and sport. Okay, maybe enough from me. Sorry for my mistake. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.